want you to get monetized. We'll speak then. So, it's okay. We'll speak. Thank you. Debs. Thanks so much. Thank you. Okay, yeah. Go and try it, then tomorrow you bring the results. I did from last 4 years. Wow. 4 years is a lot. 4 years is a lot. May say your darling, you always helping me any advice I can give. I will thank you. Thank you, my sister. Thank you. I'll talk to you on WhatsApp. The phone I'm using is the one I'm streaming in is the one that has the WhatsApp. After I got 17 and 4.5. Now pick one channel. Mukbang, pick one channel. You restream it until it get monetized. When it gets monetized, full monetization, then you can go to the next one and pick it and make it monetized. But first, concentrate on one to monetization. You like me now on my cat's channel. I'm now trying to make it to get it monetized because this one is already monetized. I've been monetized, so the other one now I can grow it. So pick one and grow with it. Pick one and monetize it. You restream it. Make sure you can restream every day. Like my sister did restream for 1 month. 1 month she got monetized, and now she used to go do 11 hours. After 11 hours she end and she start another one immediately. 11 hours end and start another one immediately. No, the schedule is to start in 2 hours. You wanted to start in 2 hours for what? When you start the live, don't reschedule it. Rescheduling is to say the live should start in 2 hours time. So you do it, you make sure, like if you do it right now, you end it after 11 hours. After it end, you can start another one. You can start another one again. Rescheduling, even here, if I want to do live, I can say to reschedule it. If you reschedule for 2 hours, it will start after 2 hours. That's what reschedule means. Now, after 11 hours, you end it. You have to end it yourself. You come and end the live, then you can start another one immediately if you want. If you really want to get monetized, you can end after 11 hours and start another one immediately on the spot. Guys, I have to end my life now. Thank you for the support. Thank you for coming. I don't take it for granted. I'm humbled. Thank you for always supporting me. I end my life now. Have a good night, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. From my side, I say, Harry, you look good, thank you. Good night, my son. Good night, Mukbang. Game over. Good night, Jeremy. Good night. Harry, good night. Good night, everybody. Good night. See you tomorrow. Jeremy, it's in the evening where you are. Have a good evening, Jeremy. Have a good evening. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?